Hi, this is your Professor Sudha. I'm going to explain few questions from your exam. You might have different values, but the questions will be similar to that. This was last question on your exam. Find the second derivative. F of x is given. So first we will rewrite this in this form without the radical sign and with the rational exponent, so that we can apply the power rule while finding the derivative. So bring the exponent in front of that and subtract 1 from the power. Then we need to multiply by the derivative of the inner function, that means the chain rule. So multiply by x square plus 7, that will be times 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 7 is 0. So now it will be 12x over 7 and x square plus 7. 6 over 7 minus 1, that is negative 1 over 7. I'm going to move this to the denominator so that the exponent will be positive. So 12x over 7 x square plus 7 power 1 over 7. So now my first derivative is 12x over 7 x square plus 7 1 over 7. Now I need to find the derivative of this again. So I'm taking this as f and g, then I'm going to use the quotient rule. So derivative of the numerator is 12, derivative of the denominator is, again I'm going to apply the power rule, then multiply by the derivative of the inner function. So I will get 2x, because this x 7 will cancel and you will have 2x, and 1 over 7 minus 1, that is negative 6 over 7. So that factor will be still there. Okay, now I'm going to apply the formula. So f prime g minus f g prime divided by g square, right, while applying the quotient rule. So f prime is 12 times g, that is 7 times x square plus 7 power 1/7 minus f g prime, that is 2x times x square plus 7 power negative 6 over 7 whole divided by g square. So g is this one, so g square. So 7 x square plus 7 power 1 over 7. Let me write that nicely. Okay, power 1 over 7 whole square. So this is the second derivative. Okay, now we need to simplify this. So if I compare this term with this, 12 is a common factor and both has this factor x square plus 7. Take the one with the lowest exponent, so I can take this factor out. So 12 times x square plus 7 negative 6 over 7. So that is the GCF. Now divide each factor by this GCF. So divide this factor with this GCF. So 12 cancel, you will get 7, that is here. While dividing these two, subtract the exponent. So 1 over 7 minus negative 6 over 7. So 1 over 7 minus negative 6 over 7, that is 1 over 7 plus 6 over 7, that is 7 over 7, right? That is just 1. So that factor power 1. If it is 1, we don't need to write that. Okay. Now we need to divide the other factor also by the GCF. So divide this one with the GCF. So 12 cancel and this factor also cancel. Then we will be left with 2x square. So minus 2x square. Then whole divided by, 7 square, that is 49, and this factor power exponent will be 2 over 7. So 49 x square plus 7 power 2 over 7. Now distribute this. So 7x square plus 49 minus 2x square. That makes it 7x square minus 2x square, that is 5x square plus 49. While dividing, if the base is same, we will subtract the exponent. So 2 over 7 minus negative 6 over 7. So 2 plus 6, right? So it will become 8 over 7. Or you can think that you are moving this to the denominator because of the negative exponent. So you will have one factor with the exponent 2 over 7, other factor with the exponent 6 over 7. So it becomes like a multiplication. While multiplying, you will add the exponent. So again, at the end, you will end up with the same final answer. So this is the final answer. Next is question number 16. Find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f of x equal x cube at -2, -8. In order to find the equation of the line, we need to find the slope at x equal -2. We already know the point. So if you find the slope and if we have the point, we can find the equation. So first take the derivative and find the slope at -2. So this is actually the slope at x equal -2. Slope is 12. The point is -2, -8. That means that is x1, y1. So we are using the point slope form. So y minus y1, y1 is -8, m is 12 times x minus -2. So y plus 8 equal 12 times x plus 2. Y plus 8 equal 12x plus 24. Now subtract 8 from both sides. So you'll get y equal 12x plus 16. So this is the equation of the tangent line. Next is question number 17 from your exam. Find the derivative of cube root of x minus 4 over x. So we can rewrite this function x power 1/3 minus 4 times x power -1. I move this x to the numerator so that the exponent will be negative. Then I can apply the power rule while taking the derivative. So for first part, bring the exponent in front of that, subtract 1 from the exponent, minus constant times derivative of this function. So that will be -1 x power -1 minus 1. I am applying the power rule like x power n. The power rule is n times x power n minus 1. Now I just need to simplify this. Here 2 negative make it positive. So plus 4 x power -2. I can move these two terms to the denominator so that the exponent will be positive. You can leave your final answer like this, or you can simplify further and write your final answer with a common denominator.